Hello friends, how are you all? Once again, welcome back to my another video and welcome back to my channel. In this video, you will see animal painted rocks, a whimsical fusion of nature and art. Animal painted rocks are an enchanting blend of natural earthiness and artistic imagination. Each rock begins as a humble, unassuming stone, often plucked from a riverbed, mountain trail, or forest floor, bearing the raw beauty of nature, smooth surfaces worn down by time and weather. But once touched by the hands of an artist, these stones are transformed into captivating miniature sculptures that come alive with character and charm. The magic lies in the detail. A rock shaped like an egg might become a sleeping fox, its tail curled gracefully around its body, painted it in rich russet hues and highlighted with delicate white strokes. A long flat stone could be turned into a serene cat lounging in the sun with soft gray stripes and watchful, classy green eyes that seem to follow it. Rounder stone becomes owls with the mesmerizing golden eyes, nestled in painted nests of moss and twigs, while others become turtles with textured shells or vibrant ladybugs dotted with inky black spots. Each painted animal in more than a mere decoration, it tells a story. Some depict animals in whimsical poses, a hedgehog wearing a tiny crown of flowers, a penguin with a scarf flapping in the wind, or a mischievous raccoon peeking from behind a leaf. Others aim for lifelike realism. Others aim for lifelike realism with every fur strand, feather, and scale carefully detailed with patient brushwork. The colors are rich and varied, often inspired by the real animal world, but occasionally exaggerated for a dreamlike effect. Electric blues for fantasy birds, glowing eyes for night creatures, or pastel shades for animals of a fairy tale realm. Artists often use acrylic paints for their vibrant, long-lasting finishing and seal their creations with a glossy varnish to protect against wear and weather, allowing these pieces to be enjoyed indoors or outside in a garden of patio setting. Some animal painted rocks are so lifelike they are mistaken for real animals at first glance, while others lean into a more playful, cartoonish style ideal for children's rooms or themed kits. I really hope that you will like my information. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Thanks. Bye bye.